Hi, welcome to Clockaudio. In this video, we will look at the different Clockaudio preamps and phantom power adapters and their use. First and foremost, with the exception of a few handheld models and the dynamic gooseneck series, all Clockaudio microphones have a condenser capsule that requires phantom power to operate. Depending on the equipment used, phantom power ranges from 9 to 48 volts. A phantom power adapter, or PPA, is used to reduce that 9 to 48 volts to below 9 volts for the condenser capsule. Applying phantom power directly from your system to the element could damage it considerably. A lot of Clockaudio microphones have a built-in phantom power adapter, either in an XLR housing at the bottom of the stem, like in the C33E-RF, or in the mic body itself, like in the CS3RF. For microphones that don't have the built-in PPA, like the suspended microphones, the C3 Slim line, the open-ended gooseneck line, or some of the C007 series, it is absolutely necessary to connect one. The one to use depends on the installation's conditions, either design specifications or building restrictions. The C3 Slim line has a tiny Q connector at the end of the base and is meant to be paired with shock mounts that houses the PPA-RF, like in this SM20RF or the SM80RF. For the open-ended microphones, you can either use a PPA, PPA-RF, CPPW01RF, or its non-RF counterpart. The first one looks like a XLR TA3M adapter and comes with a TA3F connector, commonly called Tiny Q. The CPPW01RF is a phantom power adapter housed in an aluminum casing and is shielded from the GSM frequencies coming from cell phones or other wireless devices that can cause noise on the mic line. The CPPW01 is the same phantom power adapter, but it is made of plastic and not shielded against the GSM frequencies. Those phantom power adapters are meant to be installed away from the microphone, either under a table or above the ceiling for the suspended microphones. And finally, we have the CAP002. It is a line-level preamplifier that doubles as a phantom power supply for microphones that are connected to an amplifier's auxiliary input where the audio signal needs to be line level. You could also use it as a phantom power adapter with a couple of simple modifications. You will find this information on the technical download tab of this product's webpage at www.clockaudio.com. Thank you for watching.